lanes and like merging, that's like my biggest thing that scares me.
You're doing a lot of that.
I haven't really done much of that at all, so.
Okay. Yeah, doing the lane changes. I remember having to learn that there when I was like 16.
Yeah.
Oh, man. With my instructor out in Ottawa is where I learned.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of traffic, so
Yeah.
I felt really squeezed in, like claustrophobic.
Yeah, there's not much room.
Yeah. It's like, look up, look at all the space you have around you.
Yeah.
It comes with more time behind the wheel. You get more comfortable with where things are located in your mirrors and space. Let's go ahead and make a left lane change. Signal, mirror, and your blind spot. Yeah, so you're doing this correctly, no problem at all. And you didn't lose any speed. Your foot did not go to the brake. Sometimes it has to go to the brake, but most of the time not. You just go with the flow of the traffic.
I'm scared that when I check my blind spot, I'm going to swerve into like the other lane.
Yeah, I'm scared that you're going to do that. But so far I haven't had to hold on to this holy shit bar. Right? So we're good, yeah. We're going to turn left at the lights. Good timing on the signal. Mirror blind spot because you're changing lanes. And solid green, we have traffic, oncoming traffic. But it looks like it's far enough away at this point. Looks like you can go. No problem. Lots of time. That's like 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 1005, 1006. They were 6 seconds away. We'll keep going straight. We have a few more minutes here.
I wasn't sure if I put in my mom's address or my dad's address to pick me up, but it's the red house right beside mine. My dad lives there.
Really?
Yeah.
Right beside each other?
Right beside each other.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I know. It's so convenient. It's kind of funny.
That's great.
Yeah.
So I'll just park right between the two houses then.
Yeah, I was like, oh, it looked like you were going to my dad's house. I'm like, okay, I'll just go there. I guess I put my address there.
I had, 274.
Yeah, that's my mom's house, the one you picked me up at.
Yeah, keep going. Actually, let's go into this parking lot here at the school.